Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Chrome OS developer mode safely on a Chromebook, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Chrome OS developer mode safely on your Chromebook, begin by backing up all your important data. This process will wipe your device, so it's crucial to save any files you can't afford to lose. Once your data is backed up, turn off your Chromebook completely. Press and hold the escape and refresh keys simultaneously, then press the power button. When the recovery screen appears, release the keys. Next, press Ctrl and D together to initiate developer mode. You'll see a warning screen that states, OS verification is off. Press Enter to confirm your choice. Your Chromebook will begin transitioning into developer mode, which may take several minutes. Once the process is complete, your device will reboot. You will see another warning screen each time you start your Chromebook. To bypass this screen, press Ctrl and D. This will allow you to start using your Chromebook in developer mode. Keep in mind that every time you reboot, you may encounter the warning screen. After setting up developer mode, you may want to enable additional security settings. Access the Chrome settings menu by clicking on the time in the bottom right corner. Select Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Consider enabling features like Enhanced Safe Browsing for added protection. Once you have completed these steps, your Chromebook is ready for development. You can install Linux, run additional applications, or make custom modifications. Always remember to keep your device updated to ensure stability and security. Now, you are fully equipped to utilize Chrome OS developer mode on your Chromebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.